In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the proofing language in OneNote. Setting the proofing language is an essential step for anyone who wants to write and edit content in multiple languages effectively. It ensures that the spell check and grammar tools can accurately evaluate your text, providing you with precise suggestions and corrections. Whether you're working on a research project, jotting down notes, or drafting a report, this feature can significantly enhance your productivity and the quality of your writing. Let's get started. First, you need to open OneNote on your computer. Make sure the application is running. You'll want to have your notebook open and ready to go. Once you're in OneNote, turn your attention to the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the ribbon, which is a collection of tabs offering various features. For this task, you want to click on the Review tab. This is where you'll find tools related to language settings. When you're in the Review tab, look for the button labeled Language and give it a click. This area is designed to handle everything related to the languages used in your documents. By clicking this, a drop-down menu appears. Select Language Preferences from this menu. You'll notice a dialog box popping up on your screen. This dialog box is your central hub for all language settings in OneNote, as well as other Office applications you may be using. Now, within this dialog box, you'll see a section titled Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. This is where you can make the necessary changes to your proofing language. Look through the list of languages available to you. If your desired language is already on the list, simply select it. However, if you don't find the language you need, you'll need to add it. Click the Add a Language button. This will prompt you to install additional language packs to broaden your options. After you've either selected your language from the existing list or installed a new one, the next step is to choose the language you want and click on Set as Preferred. This action prioritizes your chosen language for all editing and proofing operations. You're almost done. To finalize your changes and save your new settings, simply click OK. And there you have it. You've now successfully set your proofing language in OneNote, making it easier for you to write and edit in the language of your choice. By doing this, you've taken a crucial step to tailor OneNote to better meet your linguistic needs. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with different languages to see how OneNote can support your writing tasks. Thanks for watching and happy note taking. Happy